Hello and good afternoon. Today I'm in Lake County to go to the Oddities market. I've never been to an Oddities market before, and I'm trying to get more comfortable with these type of events, so I'm going to more and more, so I'm a little nervous, but I can't wait to get in there and check this out, especially since it's my first time checking out an Oddities market. But I have to give a big shout out to Captain Max Kettle Corn, one of my good friends. He posted that he's at this event, and I can't wait to get in there and try to find him and of course get some of his delicious kettle corn. Right before you enter, there is live music right outside, but there's already vendors here on the right hand side with lots of different merchandise that you can come check out. Even Pennywise, the dancing clown. This is just a look of some of their art that they have here. Look at that waterfall on that stump or wood. That's incredible. And all of these other little plants that you can buy right from the vendor, right next to the entrance. They got a prime spot. And now it's time to head into the expo and check everything out. Immediately, Vincent Van Bones got my attention. These paintings right here are really awesome. The rubber duck wearing the suit, even the bat wearing the suit. These are really impressive. Here at Darlene's Dragon LLC, there is a lot of different dragons that you can choose from. Even these small little cute ones. Now they don't have coffee, but they do have tea here at La Tea Da. Lots of different tea items, and it seems like this is a popular booth. Something that's called Lady Blue. You can even smell the tea before you actually buy it. Lots of different ones. I love this. Pick your poison. Definitely is a good quote, especially if you are a tea drinker or a coffee drinker like me. It seems like any convention or expo or marketplace that I go to has a whole bunch of different thermoses, and they get detailed over time. These are incredible prints. Alright, this booth got my attention immediately. Siren and the Sinner. Look at this artwork. Oh my gosh, only for $50, and it's on wood. There is so many to choose from. Wow, these are incredible. I am super tempted to get one of these. There is so many to choose from. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to get one or not. I might circle around and come back, but this is a lot of amazing art. There's even Froggy Bonanza, where you can get a lot of different Froggy items. In case if you don't want spooky, they've got a lot you can choose from. No matter where I go, I always run into something Disney, like this Tinkerbell with the butterfly right above her. And if you're looking for a new deck of tarot cards, this is the place where you can come and find a whole bunch of them that you can pick from. I haven't heard of any of these. I just thought there was only the normal set. After walking around for a little while, I decided to come outside to see if I can find Captain Jack's. And it didn't take me very long. He's right there behind me. So I'm gonna pick up my kettle corn and then head back in and check out the rest of the vendors. Now it's time to enjoy my kettle corn that he fills to the rim and relax a little bit before I go back inside. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. And I only had just a little bit. Let's head back inside and check out all the other vendors. Here's just a look of everything that you can expect if you come here. Lots of different vendors that you can be checking out. They do have palm reading, tarot card reading, and it goes all the way to the other side, past the red tent. I'm gonna make my way down this aisle and then zigzag and see what else we can find. Here at Drake Dealer, there's a lot of 3D printed dragons. Look at all of that detail on the dragon. The roses, even the head. That is so cool. Here at Eureka Emporium, you can find a lot of different unique art. These are really cool. They look like they're 3D printed. Not really sure, but that looks awesome. I definitely saw a lot of little kids coming over, checking it out, and seeing what these are. That's a puppy. Lots of different things in different jars, like this snake right here. But I saw this and I was like, wait, what is that? It's a puppy. Aww. This has to be one of my favorite things here so far. The traveling peddler has a shrunken head. How cool is that? Wow. These pictures definitely give me the Haunted Mansion vibe. The one on the right has already changed, but the one on the left, if I move just a little bit, you can see how it's changing. And I thought they only had one shrunken head. Oh no, there's two more over here. These ones don't have any price tags on them, so I'm not sure if these ones are for sale. I've made my way all the way back to the front, and I'm gonna start going down in that direction and see what else I can find. There's so much to look at here. I wish I had half of this talent. I don't think I could draw half of these things that I'm looking at right now, but they're really impressive. All of the different snakes, Medusa, and even this clock with the butterfly. After spending an hour here, my journey has come to an end, but wow, that was awesome. I got to meet so many amazing artists, people, and just walking around, checking everything out, and of course, saying hello to one of my good friends, Captain Max Kettlecorn. But if you like today's adventure, I'll come back out in the future when they have another Oddities event and walk around and see what it's like. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll be doing other fun stuff just like this. And hit that notification button to get notified every time I come out with a future video. Otherwise, I will see you down the road.